Okay, so my instructor introduced the idea of electronic controls. I didn't understand what he was talking about in relationship to the switch. It was very confusing. I thought he meant the switch that was on the circuit board. I'm talking about this single pole, single throw switch, but that's not what he meant, and it was causing a lot of confusion, and I didn't get it. So I started looking at the words. Electronic control positive switch is in reference to the coil. The coil receives its power on 30, and what it does is it allows that voltage to cross over from 30 to 87. Now the coil itself is powered on 85 to 86. So whatever you have on 85 and 86 actually is referred to as the control. So you have a positive control, which means you have a positive voltage coming on 85 or coming on 86. It doesn't matter which terminal it comes in on, come on 85 or 86. But the switch portion of it refers to the terminal of the coil, the relay coil of 30. 30 is the switch, not like I thought before, the single pole, single throw switch that you have in your circuit. No, that's not what he's talking about. When you talk about positive control, the control part is the coil, when you energize the coil from 85 and 86, and the switch part is the terminal 30, which switches over, when it's energized, switches to 87. When we're doing our electrical today, we're going to wire up a positive control, positive switch. And the positive control, positive switch is going to simulate the dash lights that we have in our vehicle. And we're going to put a variable rheostat in there. So we're going to start with the positive part. We're going to have our power coming in. And we're going to run that power straight to our switch, our relay, which is going to be 30. We can also take the power, put it behind our fuse, run it to a switch. From the switch, we're going to go to the 85 terminal on the relay, put it to relay. And then from the power going in on 86, we're going to go out to the ground on 85. Okay. So we got the power going in on 30, which is our switch. We've got our control, which is going on 86, coming out on 85. Now we want to wire up the load. So we need to have power to the variable rheostat. So we're going to have put it on the negative on 87. So power's going to 30, coming out of 87 when the coil is energized. Power goes in 30, comes out of 87, goes to the rheostat, comes out of the rheostat. Now we're going to go to the load. And then from the load, we're going back to the negative. And let's add our power source from our battery. Get on positive. And let's do our negative source. So we got the light, we got it lighted up. So since we have a variable rheostat, this is like simulating the instrument cluster on our vehicle. When we turn the rheostat, when we increase the resistance on it, it turns off the lights. And so when we decrease the resistance, it allows the current to go through, and we power the lights on. So this is like our instrument or our dash lights on our vehicle. So we can turn the lights on and off.